At Haplast, we manufacture high-quality PP woven bags designed for durability and strength. Our advanced production process ensures each bag is woven tightly for maximum durability. Using cutting-edge printing technology, we provide vibrant and long-lasting custom designs. Every bag is carefully cut, sewn, and reinforced to ensure strength and reliability. Haplast offers a variety of PP woven bags in different sizes, colors, and prints. Ideal for agricultural products, animal feed, and more, our woven bags provide reliable storage solutions.